Hello students, today I will tell you how to create Gmail ID in your tab. For doing that, just open Gmail option, that's called Gmail app. Now click on got it. Now click on add an email address. See, this is the procedure I am telling that the students who are not having mail ID, not yet created, if they want to create now newly, for that students this process will help a lot. Now select the Google option, then it will show you two options. One is me, another one is my child. We have to select the me option. Why? Because the students are using the tab, so we can select me option. If you select my child, it will ask you more privileges, more security we have to provide. Okay, now it will show you option which it has to create an account. Click on the create account, and for my personal use, select my personal use. It will ask you first name and surname. You give a name, your name. For the name example, I am going with Abhiram P, and click on next. You give your details, your first name and last name, and here it will ask you to enter your date of birth. I am going with a dummy date of birth. Why? Because see, if the age criteria, if it is not match with that Google account, then the mail ID, it will ask you parental control. So it's very difficult for that process. For if the age of a particular student will have 13 above or 18 above, they have a permission to create a Gmail account. So here I am going to give a dummy date of birth, so that is not a big problem for you. In future, you can create a new email ID for your educational purpose. This is a temporary email ID which we can use for NLP purpose. So that I just given dummy date of birth. Select gender and click on next button. Google suggests you to pick a Gmail addresses, or you can create a own. We'll select create your own Gmail address. I am going to give like this: abhiram.arvd.8b. So Abhiram, he is studying in Amaraja Vidyalayam Digumagam in 8th class B section. So like that we can use the format, so that it's very easy to remember. See, if the username is already taken, we can change the username by giving here Abhiram P, for example. We'll go with one more ID. If already the mail ID is there, we'll take one more, P Abhiram, or else we'll go with here PV Abhiram dot ARVD dot 8B next. See, while creating, if user account or email ID, if it is already there, it will show you. So we have to give a new unique username. Okay. Now we'll go with the password. I am going with the name @123. You can give a secure password also, but try to remember that password. And you can use date of birth and name, and specific name, and the special symbol and the number should be there. And click on next button. It will select automatically, the phone number will be detected by that Google if the SIM is there in your tab. So that instead of doing all the process, you just select skip option. So the mail ID has been created, pvabhiram.arvd.8b@gmail.com. This is the mail ID. Here pvabhiram.arvd.8b is the username, @gmail.com is a domain. Okay, now click on next button. It will ask you to accept the privacy and terms. Just click on I agree. Scroll it down and you will get a dialog box. A box will come, blue color box, I agree. Just click on that I agree option. It takes 1 minute time and it displays all the values. We will get backup and everything. Okay, now the mail ID has been created and added here. Now click on take me to Gmail. So that's all, we created a Gmail successfully. Why we created a Gmail in tab? See, if you want to download any application from a Play Store, okay, or if you want to watch YouTube videos, or if you want to refer anything, if the account is there, if a Gmail account is there, or any email account it is there, we can access that all resources. If you want to install NLP application in your tab, first try to create Gmail account first. Okay, now just come back here, come back to this process. Finally we created. Now we'll go with Play Store. We'll go with the Play Store. Now the Play Store, it is the Gmail ID whatever I created, that is linked to this one. Now we'll see here our app. We'll go with Next Learning platform and we'll download this one. Now the application whatever there, that is I already downloaded. So that you will get here, you will get two options. One is install and cancel or open. If already installed means you will get open option. If it is not installed in your tab, then you will get install option. Now try to click on install button. The NLP application will install in your tab. And after that, just open the application, NLP application. It will show you 3 options. One is student, parent and staff. Remember one thing, if you already created parent account, in parent's mobile phone, try to write the school code, username and password on a paper for reference. No need to log in parent account in your tab. The tab is meant for student only. If you created parent account, if you activate student account, you can log in student details, student account details in your tab. By providing that student details, you can log in into your tab. Okay, now here you can give ARVD and then the admission number, whatever the admission number we provided, you can even at parent account creation step, it shows admission number. You watch previous video how to activate a student and parent account, okay, and then you can create this process, you can log in with this process. See, if you don't know the password or OTP, you just click on no password, try OTP option. The OTP automatically will be received to you and your father or mother mobile number. Then you will get a OTP, enter OTP and click on sign in option. So this is the process how we can do. Please understand. First and foremost thing, try to create a Gmail account. Then open Play Store. Then type Next Learning platform and install that one. Open that and select student. If you create parent account in your parent's mobile phone, you can use student account in your tab. If parent account is not activated, student account not activated, what you can do means, you open parent in your tab, you select parent option, try to give the school code ARVD and username you give the mobile number of father or mother and click on try OTP password, you will get a OTP and you enter and log into that. So then you can log in with a student. Okay, thank you for watching.